everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up Splendies, which is my panty subscription. So I do get Splendies sent to me free for review. The link I provide below is not affiliated. Just so you guys know, I want to be as transparent as possible like I explained in a recent video. But anyways, I've been loving Splendies. So Splendies is a underwear panty subscription. You get 3 pairs sent to you every month for $14.99. There's been a code that's been working. I think it's June 50 and you save 50% off your first month. And I think it was supposed to work only for June, but people have been telling me it's still working. So I'm gonna leave that down below. And if I could find any other codes too, I'll try and make sure that's active, but definitely check the description box. I always leave the link to the boxes I'm talking about and any codes that I have to help save you guys some money on these subscriptions. But this one is pretty affordable anyway. So $14.99, you get 3 pairs of panties and you get to customize what type of panties you get. They also have a very wide size range. It goes from like extra small to a 4X. So it can fit everyone, hopefully. So you can either get a mixture, that's what I get, so you get just like regular underwear, I guess you would call it, and thongs, or you can just get all regular underwear, or you can get all thongs. So before this month, the all thong option was only available for sizes extra small to extra large, but now what they call voluptuous, so the plus size women or ladies, whoever's getting the subscription, they can now have the option to get all thongs. So if you get that subscription and that's what you wanted, you can go ahead and update your style preferences. So I think that's enough information. I guess I'll just mention really quick, like I always try and do in the beginning of my videos, I do have several giveaways going on. I always list those down in the description box, so if you have not yet entered, definitely do so. But yeah, let's get started and see what panties I got this month. They're always so cute and comfortable. I'm trying to think right now if I'm wearing a pair. Is that weird if I look? I'm wearing a pair. I would show you if it was appropriate, but a lot of my underwear now is from Splendies. I realized that like a lot of what I had was old. You know, time just flies by. I mean, it's freaking almost 2020. Like, what the hell? But I definitely needed Splendies in my life. I need to refresh my underwear drawer and get rid of those old pairs that you've had for a while, you know? Now everything's so cute and new. Oh, cute. So it comes wrapped in this tissue paper. I might have to save this tissue paper for the holidays. It's so cute. Oh, it looks like we have some themed underwear. So they fold them and pack them real nice. So here's a quick little sneak peek. Oh my god, I love that there's a theme for the underwear this month. So the first one is a thong. So I think, at least in my experience with the mix box, the one where you get both regular panties and thongs, you typically always get 2 regular panties and 1 thong, and that is the same this month. So let's start with the thong. It is so cute for the holidays. It has like little, like, what would you call it? Like little leaves? I don't know, but it reminds me of a holiday print. I'm like blanking on words right now. So it has this like pretty red lace and then the light blue. And it seems really stretchy and comfortable. This is something I totally will wear. And this is Splendies brand. And it is $12. So almost pays for the entire subscription, 1 pair. Generally you get about 36 at least. Generally you get a value of like $36 or greater with the underwear you get. But this is super cute and I feel like it's really festive for this time of year. The next pair, this is cute. This isn't one that goes with the holidays, but that's okay. I don't typically wear themed underwear, but maybe that should start being a thing for me. Anyways, this is just purple and I really like it. Look how it has a little bow on top and some lace. And here is the back. And this is by Miss Vicky's Intimates. And this is $12. I guess I usually tell you guys what the materials are, so I guess I will do that. So this is 92% cotton and 8% spandex. So super cute. These are definitely good like daily underwear. And let's see what the thong was made from, if anyone out there is curious. This is also 95% cotton, and, well, I don't know if that's the exact same numbers, but 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Now the last pair, this is totally cute and totally seasonal. Oh my god, get a look at this. How cute. There's like little polar bears on there. There's even like a polar bear mommy and baby and two like in sweaters kissing. Like how cute is this? Oh my god. I think I said this last month. Was it last month where I got the underwear? They had like little cats on them. They're like little witches. Maybe that was October, but yeah, last month was October. It's November right now, right? They were so cute. I was saying how I was gonna probably wear them and want to flash everyone my underwear and be like, look how cute my underwear is. I haven't done that yet. I have not gotten in trouble because that would not be a smart thing to do, but I feel like this is a pair that I'd be like wanting to show because it's so cute. So let's see what this is made from. This is Splendies brands and it is $12, so $36 undies we got. And this is 90% polyamide and 10% spandex. And all of these can be washed in regular laundry, which is good because, I mean, if it was like dry clean only, that'd be like way too bougie of underwear for me. Anyways, let's just do a quick recap. I'm so happy with this month. I think these are so cute. So we got our polar bear lacy underwear. And we also have this, like, why can't I think of this print? It just reminds me of Christmas because it's like little like pine leaves or something like that. And then we have our purple panties, which I think are so cute too. I love every pair. So yeah, if you guys get Splendies, I'm always curious, do we get the same pairs? Because I know my friend here on YouTube, Nikki, or Southern Mom, sometimes we have like 2 out of 3 the same. So you guys have to let me know if you guys get Splendies. Are we underwear twins? Definitely let me know. And again, if you are interested, I'm going to leave the link below along with that promo code or any promo codes I can find. And all my giveaways will be down below, my social media links, all the makeup I'm wearing on my face. I leave everything in the description box. So if you never check that out, usually definitely do so. That's where all the important info is or anything fun going on like giveaways. But anyways, I'm going to stop rambling. Thank you so much for being here and opening up my new underwear with me. I hope you're having a good day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!